So alright my people, so this morning you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna start the apartment, yeah. So as you can see, we run out to master. Yeah, so these are the square line. So, yeah, so this is how the place look like. Yeah, so we have this run out idea, yeah. Yes my people, so right now we're gonna lay the first tile. Yeah, so this is how we're gonna do in the morning. We're gonna lay the first tile now. Zero, huh? Zero. Right now, the people have so get a push start in the morning. Yeah? You want to say the word? Yes, my people so bright and early in the morning, yeah. So, yeah, as you can see, I'm going to lay some tile. Yeah. From 24 by 24 porcelain. Yeah, yeah, good look on them. Yeah, so. It's how we are on an idea, yeah. Yeah, so the bathroom them tile already. Yes, I have this one. I have 2 bathrooms upstairs. So yeah, so the drain for going at this and then we can have the shower. So I have a floor right in. Yeah. So yeah, we still have to go on at the staircase. So we go on at the staircase. So the tile have to go right on. Yeah, so as you can see, the time is gone. Yeah. So everything is going right now. So you know, say outside that things that are mix and everything. Yeah, out here look at the complex. Yes, still have them building the tile. Still building over the side. Camera on right now. So, on the whole side right now. As you can see. The outside. The inside right now. Yeah, so as we saw, we'll get some idea. Then we can put a little apartment there. So you can see my people setting the up. Yeah. So every little thing is going right and then tile up everything. Yeah. So that's a Joe in the Filipino virgin. Yeah, man. Love Jamaica, man. Come here and spend time, you know? Yeah. Yeah. yeah, my people. Alright, my people, so I go on. Yeah, so this is our reach now. Yeah. Some samosa in the bathroom. I still in it. Yeah, so yeah, this is how the setting right. Yeah, so trying to get something in the bathroom. A couple pieces on the staircase. Kind of like a tight spot that we have to work with. Like on the staircase. So yeah, so as I say, it's clean or so. So the work time I go on. Yeah, so we just have that little here and then if it close off. Once it close off, so you know we're good. Yeah. So these are the entrance. So we're going to be out here so now. Yeah, so these are going to mix up some things. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah. So I'm going to say this is how we are right now. Samosa take time working with you. Yeah, so you know, say the Filipino yard that Mr. Joni.
Yes, Mr. Tony.
Yeah. Alright, my people. So I say we're on the job, you know? Yeah, man. So yes, my people. So right now, this don't grow top. Yeah. Well, as I say, you know, say a site work. So them please don't really keep clean. All type of work are going in a set speed. So as you can see, grow top. Man I work same way. So this are the stair to upstairs. Yeah.
So it's just
So mudman night place I work same way. So yeah, as you can see, as I said, finish with that one in our way. You know. So everything grows up. Yeah, so this now I will let you go on. Then I'll let you can go on. Yeah, so the tile. Yeah, this bathroom done up. So right, I know the only thing left for this on the ledge. The ledge can go on it. Yeah. So as I say, basically the place growth up. Yeah, but as I say, what happened with them work, site work. So as I say, work still have one. So yeah. Once work are going on the place, you know, so anything can happen. Tire can get damaged and all of that. So but the good thing about it, we finish with growth up. So them forget this place a cover up, you know. So once them get it covered up, you know, say them can't do what them do. Because the sand did not go on it. The painting not go on it. Yeah, just like how you see it. So not like sanding and painting not go on it. So only power work still left in have to do. You know, as I said, the good thing about it, we get it growth up. So, you know, anything them can take it from this one out. So basically our part complete. You know. So yeah, this is how it look like. Yeah, but as I said, for site work, you know, them work are still not clean until you see them have building done, cabinet put in everything, painting done, and then them carrying clean up. As so they are going to see them place a clean up nice and pretty. But otherwise some that, you know, as I say, site work, you know it go. Yeah, but yeah, our part finished. So yes, my people, that's basically it. Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job them. Yes, this is the main entrance. Yeah, because this is a site work, so you don't know about people. Alright.